Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course share this video. So you guys, ever since Mpumelelo became the first young 2000 public figure to have multiple girlfriends or be in a polygamous relationship, as he calls it, with his two girlfriends, and actually made it public, he has become some sort of a role model. Yama 2000, you guys. Now, young men or young boys have then come out, and more are still coming out actually, and are doing this multiple dating thing and making it fashionable, you guys. Now, this guy has been trending today on Facebook and Twitter for publicly sharing his two girlfriends and stating that he is dating the two of them, you guys. And the girlfriends are very much well aware of each other and are okay with sharing him. And he says that the girlfriends love and adore each other. At first, I thought that this was one of those publicity stunts for the guy to get more followers. Till I went to his Facebook page and I could see that this might be genuine. This might be a genuine relationship, as he has been posting pictures of his two girlfriends for a very long time on his social media. And it was just today that we discovered him. His name is Samkelo Shezi, you guys, and he posted his two girlfriends on Facebook and wrote this post in isiZulu, which translated in English reads, "Much love, hey. Thanks for a great night. I love you so much and we will continue treating you well. Just hope you treat each other well. I know for now you don't know each other well and you are starting to know each other, and I hope your relationship will be high. We're building a strong relationship here and a family. And also I would like to thank MBL Guest House in Ntuzuma. By the way, let them treat us with it." Well, there you have it, guys. Please do share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Like, share this video, and please subscribe if you haven't yet done so. Thank you so much for clicking and actually watching this video. I'll definitely see you on my next one.